Happening in just an hour. Attorneys for convicted killer Scott Peterson will be back in court as they continue their quest to reopen his case.
So a jury convicted Peterson nearly 20 years ago of murdering his wife Lacey and their unborn child on Christmas Eve in 2002. KCRA 3's Michelle Bandor is headed to the courtroom now and joins us live over the phone. So Michelle, you've covered a number of these hearings. Explain how Scott Peterson's lawyers are trying to prove his innocence today.
Well, good morning, Brandy. Yes, we just arrived in Redwood City and we are outside the San Mateo County Court. Court will start in about an hour. And as you said, we've had a couple hearings before today's where they've just been procedural hearings going over schedules and motions. But today is going to be a pretty important hearing. This is where the defense with the LA Innocence Project took up his case in January. And it's a DNA hearing. Basically, the defense is trying to get certain items that were in evidence 20 years ago tested for DNA or retested because of, technology has changed over the past 2 decades. So today we're going to hear about those arguments as to why the defense thinks these particular items are important and why they should be tested. This is all in the hopes for Scott Peterson. He wants a new trial. He's been declaring his innocence the whole time. So this would be one step in trying to get a new trial for Peterson.
And it's something that I know a lot of people are following right now. It's a case that captivated the nation when it initially happened. Michelle, anything particularly that you have noticed since you've been in these hearings before?
Well, like you said, it's captivated the world, really, and there's pretty much more media here than there are courtroom observers in the courtroom. Scott Peterson himself is serving a life sentence at the Mule Creek State Prison, and he's appearing virtually by Zoom. So he's polite, he responds to the judge's questions, and he appears as though he's listening attentively to the proceedings. But yeah, I think today is the one we're really going to want to watch, because this is talking about, certain evidence that was found, and wondering if they would find Lacey Peterson's DNA on any of these items, such as, there was a tarp found in the bay about 20 feet south of where Lacey's remains were found. The defense wants a plastic bag that was also found in the Bay Area where her remains and Connor's remains were found. They want that tested. There's also questions about this burned out van that was found in the Modesto neighborhood and a bloodstained mattress. They want testing done on that. They're all saying that they believe the defense is saying Lacey was alive when Scott Peterson went fishing that Christmas Eve morning. And they believe, this is all connected, of course, and want that testing done so they can get that new trial for him.
All right, Michelle, we know that you will continue covering this for us. And folks at home, Michelle will be in court all morning. She'll have updates both on air and on the KCRA 3 app for the very latest sent straight to your phone. Even when we're not live on air, you can download the free KCRA 3 app and turn on push alerts.